Namaste. Welcome to Lucoria program, which is nothing but white discharge. In Telugu, we can call it as a Tallubatta. In Siddha terminology, generally in Tamil Siddha medicine point of view, we can call it as a Vellai. In Ayurveda terminology, Sveta Pratara. This is one of the major female gynecology functional problem. Actually, in our body, three doshas is there as per Indian medicine system: Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Mostly in Kapha is increased. This type of complaints mostly introduced in our bodies. This is the female related complaint because it's totally gynecology functional problem. Actually, this white discharge or leukorrhea look like a normal, look like a simple, but don't be neglect this type of complaints because some major complications may arise the human body. So this is the pre-step or pre-shown as a symptom of some other major problems. Generally, in white discharge point of view, in vaginal fluids more and more release by the cause of endometrial layer or fallopian tubes or uterus, whatever it may be. Here, one main thing is that generally in this white discharge point of view, two types. It's a natural leukorrhea and unnatural leukorrhea. In natural leukorrhea point of view, some causes is there. The causes is in estrogen hormone sometimes increase. Obviously, this type of complaints may shown in our bodies. At the same time, ovulation release time and before menstrual cycle time. At the same time, when you are in pregnancy, in the time also this leukorrhea complaint may shown. At the same time, intercourse time. At the same time, malnutrition. This type of causes in natural white discharge may shown. At the same time, in unnatural white discharge point of view, some other main things is there. In cervix related or uterus related, any cancer or ulcers or fibroids or tumors may be arise, the white discharge may be shown. At the same time, low immunity. At the same time, some infections. How could you say that infection means? It's a itching is there in vaginal area and bad smell also released from the vaginal. At the same time, different colors fluids like light rose color and yellow color. This type of fluids also we can shown on the vaginal fluids. So then you can justify this is the infection. When it arises the infection in vaginal area, some good bacteria is there. That bacteria is helpful to our body. So that bacteria is a decrease, obviously infection will increase. So that is one of the thing. So this is the unnatural point of view causes. Now if continually that leukorrhea complaint is there, what is the examination? The first one is the abdominal ultrasound scan. The second one is the speculum test. The speculum test we can that is one kind of thing is there. Through using that thing, totally seen the vaginal area. So any tumors is there, any infections is there, any that area internal layers may be like some skin allergies point of view or fungus infections point of view, we can see through using the speculum test. So this is the mostly two tests is there. According to body condition, sometimes you can so the estrogen hormone test and some other blood test in ESR test. These all the things are sometimes the physician may prescribe for this test also. Okay. Then if leukorrhea is there, what type of complications will arise in our human body? Generally PID is there. PID means pelvic inflammation disease. That is also started. The second one is infertility, also that problem also started. At the same time neurosis and anxiety and feel irritation. At the same time HIV also, compared to other females, the leukorrhea complaint females mostly more chance for getting the HIV or AIDS. And delivery problems also there. When you are in pregnancy, in delivery time some problems also there. For in more and more leukorrhea complainted point of view, like mostly in unnatural white discharge point of view. And okay, in leukorrhea is there. What is the medical suggestions? The first one is the maintain the cleanness. That is very very important. The second one is the when you are doing the intercourse or sexual game, you should use the condom. The third one is doing the yoga and regularly doing the exercises. And seasonal fruits and vegetables you have to eat. At the same time, try to avoid abortions and don't neglect the taking the treatment when this type of problem. The main suggestion is totally avoid the bad habits like alcohol, pan masala and smoking. Nowadays the females also started this type of complaint habits. So many complaints will introduce. Nowadays so many females is they think fascinating for taking the alcohol. So you have to avoid this type of complaints point of view. Okay. Then leukorrhea is there. What is the in Indian medicine point of view, in Ayurveda point of view, what is the treatment? In most of the cases in the leukorrhea point of view, sometimes the male persons like husband also take the treatment. Example, suppose husband have the diabetic, in the time they are doing the sometimes intercourse like sexual game. In husband having any fungal infection in their penis area, obviously white discharge will increase. At the same time, sometimes in white discharge point of female only take the treatment. In male infections also enter into vaginal area, obviously the leukorrhea will increase. So sometimes, not all the time, sometimes the husband also should take the treatment. Next, in female's point of view, dosing is there. Dosing means make the some decoction and dosing, like keeping on the vaginal area, that decoction, the medical decoction. So that depends on the patient condition. The physician will decide it, how to make the decoction. So the dosing is there. At the same time, some oral medicines also there in Ayurveda and Siddha point of view. In oral medicine depends on the patient condition, patient nadi tattva. These point of view only the some medicines the patient should be used in orally. And the third thing is the Uttarvasti. Uttarvasti is the one of the major treatment of the Vasti Karma. Vasti Karma is the major treatment of Panchakarma. In description box, our previous Panchakarma video is there. That link already available in our description box. Then you can see that. So that Uttarvasti means some medical liquid sent to the vaginal. So it will go to vaginal, cervix and uterus also. sometimes a point of view uterus to fallopian tubes also it will go, and totally it will heal that particular inside the infections and inflammation and some other problems also. That is called Uttarvasti. It's only Panchakarma treatment point of view, the Uttarvasti is available. So the next one is the some yoga techniques also very very important, like Padmasana, Halasana and Paschimottanasana, and so along with Surya Namaskaras and Bhujangasanas. These type of things we have to do, but all the asanas we have to learn from the Yogacharya only. So these things also very very important, and healthy diet also very important for avoiding the malnutrition. So then only you will get the female will get the good health from the Leucorrhea. Once female is getting the good health means our entire home getting the good health. Okay, this is the overview of the Leucorrhea. Thank you. Namaste.